So this is how to cite a YouTube video in APA 7th edition. We're going to be citing this specific YouTube video. We will need person or group who uploaded the video, date of publication, title of video, the website host, and the URL. So this is how you find all that information. For a person or group who uploaded the video, it's going to be the YouTube channel name right there. Date of publication is going to be in the description box. What you will want to do is click Show More, and you will see the full date of publication. For the title of the video, it is right below the video box, which is here, and the website host is YouTube. And then you will need to paste the URL, which you can copy right here. Or if you want a shortened version of that link, go ahead and click the share button, and that will pop up the shortened URL. So the end result will look like this: UH Clear Lake Writing Center, period, followed by open parentheses 2022, that's the year, comma, and then month and day, which is June 7, end parentheses, period, sample drop-off consultation, open bracket video, close bracket, period, YouTube, period, and lastly, the URL. If you have any questions about APA or any of our services, please visit our website at www.uhcl.edu/writing-center or give us a call. Our number is 281-283-2910.